everyone, it is day 42 of my Glow Up Challenge, and this is the week 6 wrap up. So let's start off today by talking about something really important. Let's talk about my hair. The last time we spoke, I said I was going to do a home highlighting kit, and it is one that I used before and I found really easy to use and it was very subtle. Well, this time it was not. Okay, I don't even know if you can see on camera that my hair is a little bit lighter, but I did use the home highlighting kit, and then when I put the toner on, it seemed to lighten my whole head of hair, and it just was not good. So I colored over it with my usual hair color, but you can still kind of see the highlights coming through. I can see a piece here, some pieces here. So in person, it does look like I subtly highlighted my hair, but it was a long process. So it's no fault of the company and the product that I use. I'm sure it was human error because like I said, I have used it before and it was nice. So it was whatever I was using underneath to do my regular hair color before doing the highlights. But I do like the results of it. If I can get a little closer, maybe you can see my hair doesn't look quite as dark, and I think it looks, I think it looks dimensional, you know, so it's not just such a flat color. So I would recommend using a home highlighting kit or just go to a salon, but I just wanted to do something to lighten myself up for the upcoming summer. So that is that. So one thing I do want to talk to you about is exercise. Now I know we've spoken about this before, but I'm finding, I don't know, you know how when you're young and you think you want to lose a little weight and you just go on a diet for like a week and you drop all this weight? Well, it's much different when you're older and postmenopausal. So as I said before, I'm turning 60 this year, and weight loss is very slow. And it's not from lack of trying, but you do have to exercise. I'm finding that out. You know, it's something that your metabolism is just so much different, and your hormones are different when you're older, and it's just not as easy. So I'm still really enjoying the food. I still feel fantastic. I think that eating the Mediterranean way is really the way to go as you get older, and you just feel so alive and energetic and positive. But you just really have to do the other lifestyle aspects of a Mediterranean diet as well. So you have to get out and socialize, and you really have to exercise, and you have to just do self-care and take care of yourself. I like to combine the Mediterranean diet with what the Italians call la bella figura, which is the beautiful figure. And on the surface, that can mean trying to look nice and present yourself well and take care of yourself. But it also means just being an amiable person and being integrated into society. It's deeper than just the surface. So I want you to think, if you're following along with this challenge yourself, I want you to think about more than just the food, because the things that you put in your body are really helping you out and making you a beautiful person on the outside, as well as just feeling beautiful. And think deeper than just the food. Think about taking care of yourself, think about moving that body, thinking about hanging out with your friends and your family and your loved ones, and just making it a whole well-rounded package. So as I'm approaching week 7 going into this challenge, I'm really focusing on putting the whole picture together. And like I said, I'm feeling fantastic, and I hope you are feeling fantastic too. And let's see what else I have on my list. Dun, dun, dun. Well, I actually wrote down feeling good. So what kind of exercise am I doing? So I do Pilates. I try to do it several times a week. Sometimes I know life is busy and it's a challenge to try to fit exercise in like that. I do it at home. I do home Pilates. I show you in my shorts the programs that are doing, and I link to them. And I do that once or twice a week, and that's great for strengthening and toning. And but it's not aerobic unless you're doing some kind of fast Pilates. So I pulled out the old Wii Fit. Do you remember the Wii Fit? I used to love that when it first came out, and it still works, and I pulled that out, and I've been doing some of the island cycling, and I'm just really having fun going back doing this kind of retro exercise that's getting my heart pumping, because we've had like pretty bad weather here lately. I don't know what kind of spring it thinks it's giving us, but we're not having a beautiful spring. We're having a lot of rain, and I can't be getting outdoors and walking a lot, so I'm trying to find things that I do at home. So my message to you this week is eat well, do exercise, and try to do everything you can in the rest of your life to bring in that beautiful feeling, whether it is doing something with your hair or trying a new lipstick or dressing well or just going out and being nice and being social to people and going and getting a coffee and smiling at people that you pass on the street. It's all a whole big package of what it means to glow up. So that's all I have for you this week. I hope it's going to be a great week for you, and I hope it's going to be a great week for all of us. Okay, I will see you soon. Bye.